Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill again using a short story. The story is related to the use of have to or has to. We use have to or has to express necessity. And we use have to for I, you, we and they. And we use has to for he, she and it. After have to or has to should be followed by verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence. And you should also try to memorize the story and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Carol does a lot of things every day. And she has to do a lot of things too tomorrow. She has to get up early. She has to go to work by train. She has to start work at 9 and finish at 5:30. She has to do a lot of things tomorrow too. She has to make many telephone calls and she has to type a lot of letters. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Does Carol do a lot of things every day? Question number 2. Does she have to do them tomorrow too? Does she have to get up early? Does she have to start work at 9? What time does she have to finish work? Does she have to make many telephone calls? Does she have to type a lot of letters too? What about you? Do you have to do a lot of things every day? What about tomorrow? What about tomorrow? What do you have to do tomorrow? Do you have to do a lot of things too? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.